Today we are discuss about the advanced manufacturing process, lecture number 4. So a prerequisite for the advanced manufacturing process, we know the basic about the science, engineering science, physics, chemistry, material science, engineering, metallurgy, and manufacturing process. There are course objectives. There are some course outcomes. So first unit is first unit is based on the special forming processes. Second unit depends on advanced manufacturing process or advanced joining process. Sorry. Third unit depends on the hybrid non-conventional machining techniques. Fourth unit is depends on the micro machining and non-fabrication techniques. Then fifth unit depends on additive manufacturing process. Then last unit number 6 is depend on material characterization techniques. There are some books, textbooks and reference books for this subject, advanced manufacturing process. We just go about the basic of forming process, metal forming process. So we cover some topics, overview of metal forming process, material behavior in metal forming process, temperature in metal forming process, strain rate sensitivity, then friction and lubrication in metal forming process. What is actually the metal forming process? A large group of manufacturing process in which the plastic deformation is used to change the shape of the metal workpiece. So for that we use some tool called as a dia, apply the stresses that exceed the yield strength of the metal. The metal takes a shape deformed by the geometry of the dia. Stresses in a metal forming process. Stresses to the plastically deform the metal are usually compressive, like in a rolling process, forming process and extrusion process. However, some forming processes come with stretching of the metal, like the tensile stresses are developed. Other bending metal like a tensile and compressive, and still other apply shear stresses also. Material property in a metal forming process. So desirable material property we required for metal forming process, we require the low yield strength and high ductility. These properties are affected by the temperature. Ductility increase and yield strength decrease when the work temperature is rises. Other factor, strain rate and friction. The basic type of metal forming process. We categorize the metal forming process in figure in two parts, bulk deformation and sheet metal working. In a bulk deformation, we again categorize the rolling process, forming process, extrusion process, wire and bar drawing. Again, in a sheet metal forming process, we categorize the bending operation, dip and curve drawing and shearing process. Bulk deformation process. What is actually the bulk deformation process? Characterized by the significant deformation and massive shape change. Bulk refers to the work part which relatively low surface area to volume ratios. Starting work shape are usually simple in geometry. For example, cylindrical billet and rectangular bar. See, the first figure is showing the rolling and second figure is showing the forging process. These are called as a bulk forming processes. Then again, figure number C is showing the extrusion and figure number D is showing the wire and bar drawing process. These are also called as a bulk deformation processes. Then next is the sheet metal work. What is actually the sheet metal work? The forming and related operation performed on the metal sheets, strips and coils. High surface area to volume ratio of the starting metal, which distinguish this from bulk deformation, often called as a press working because these operations are performed on the press only. The part is called as a stamping and the tool is called as a punch and dia. See, figure number A is showing the bending and figure number A is showing the dip drawing operation. These are called as a sheet metal operations. Again, in a shearing process, the first part is showing the punch, the first contacting the sheet. Then in another process, it will cut the sheet. It is called as a shearing operation. This is also called as a sheet metal forming process. Thank you. Thanks to all.